The little engine that could help out. 小机器帮助人。Look at me, the little clown said to the doll and the monkey. I can do tricks. I can walk on my hand. And I can stand on a ball. 看看我，小丑对着洋娃娃和小猴子说：“你看，我可以玩把戏，我可以用手走路，而且我可以站在一颗球上哦。” Look at me, said the monkey. He hopped on his bike. I wish I had a bike, said the clown. My birthday is coming, and I hope I get a bike. 你看看我，猴子这么说着，他跳上了脚踏车。这时小丑说啦：“我希望我可以有一台脚踏车。我的生日快要来了，我希望我能得到一台脚踏车当礼物。” Soon it is his birthday. Yes, the clown gets a new bicycle from the train. 很快的，他的生日到了。是的，小丑得到了一台新的脚踏车，是火车送他的哦。The clown jumps on the bike, but off he falls, so the clown tries again. Oops, he falls off the bike again. 那小丑呢，就这样跳上了脚踏车，但是呢，他跌倒了，所以啊，小丑又再试了一次。哦哦，他又再跌倒了。The clown is not hurt, but he starts to cry. I cannot ride. I do not like my bike, said the clown, and off he runs. 那小丑呢？他虽然没有受伤，可是他开始哭啦。啊，我不会骑，我不喜欢我的脚踏车。小丑这么说完以后，他就跑走了。I must help the clown, said the train, and off she goes. Choo choo! She looks by the farm. Is the clown there? No. 哦，我一定要帮助小丑。火车这么说着，那他就开始出发啦。突突，他经过了这个农舍。那小丑在那里吗？没有。Choo choo, she looks by the circus tent. Is the clown there? No. Choo choo, 他来到了马戏团的帐篷。那小丑在那里吗？没有。At last, there is the clown by the tree on a swing. So the clown is still sad. 最后啊，他在树旁边找到了小丑在荡秋千。小丑啊，心情还是很不好。Do not feel bad, the train tells the clown. It takes time to learn to ride a bike. Try again and say, I think I can. I think I can. 哦，不要觉得伤心。火车这样告诉小丑，他说啊，学习脚踏车是需要时间的，你要一直试，一直试，再次的尝试，并且告诉自己说，我觉得我可以，我觉得我可以。 So the clown gets on his bike. I think I can, he says, over and over. Yes, the clown is riding his bike. Look at me, says the clown. 小丑啊，他就骑上了他的脚踏车。他告诉自己说：“我觉得我可以，我觉得我可以。”就这样反复的说着。Yes，他终于会骑他的脚踏车了。看看我，你看看我，他这样对大家说着。Happy birthday, said the doll and the monkey and the train, and then they all eat the cake. 生日快乐！洋娃娃和猴子还有火车这么叫着。接着呢，他们就开心的吃掉了他们的蛋糕喽。The end.